Hi, I'm Peter Arnold, the Graduate Development Manager at CMS.
And hi, I'm Kat Crisp and I work in the graduate recruitment team as a graduate recruitment advisor at CMS. So we have a number of different opportunities. The first primary opportunity is our First Steps programme. So First Steps is for first year lawyers and also penultimate year non-lawyers. It's a week-long insight programme which provides lots of information around law and the practice areas that we have. There's also the opportunity for students to shadow a trainee, which is really useful because then the students can get to know whether it's the sort of career that they're interested in. As I say, it takes place in the Easter holidays and it's a week long and you're paid £350 to complete that programme. So the second of these opportunities is the CMS Academy. So this is our 3-week vacation scheme and is the main route to a training contract here at CMS. So the 3 weeks consist of the first week, which is the Business of Law week, so that takes place in London. There's lots of training given in that week. There's exciting fun things like simulations and also the opportunity to go and visit our clients as well. And then the second and third weeks consist of an internship, so you'll be allocated a supervisor and also a buddy as well, and you will effectively be doing the role of a trainee during those remaining 2 weeks. So in an application, I look for primarily 3 things. The first of these is attention to detail. So as a lawyer, you're going to need to have excellent attention to detail. So likewise, we're looking for that in your application form. So make sure that your spelling and your grammar is all excellent and perhaps get somebody to have a read through it. The second thing I look for in an application is for you to be nice and specific about the particular firm that you're applying for. So whilst we do appreciate that you might be making a number of different application forms, we would look for you to show the research and the commitment and the passion that you have for the particular firm that you're applying for, i.e. CMS, when you are actually making that application. The final thing that we're looking for is for you to utilise the word count that you're provided. So for example, in the CMS application, there are 3 questions that we ask you, each of which have a 200 word count attached to them. So we would look for you to certainly not go over that 200 word count, but to make sure that you make the most of it to show that you really have done your research into the firm.
We structure our training contract over the period of 2 years. We do 4 6-month seats. One of the seats has to be a litigious seat, and we will ensure that you comply in those aspects. You'll also have the opportunities to go on client secondments or international secondments to one of our overseas offices. We also help facilitate and organise pro bono and CR work for you. We've had trainees go and give advice at the Islington Advice Clinic, and we also do extracurricular activities such as the CMS Choir and the CMS Football World Cup, which was in Vienna last year. I think a really good tip is to approach the employer with some prior knowledge of the firm and an understanding of what they're about. Don't just approach them to get a free water bottle or a free booklet. I think it's really important that you're showing an interest in the firm and an understanding in what they do and what you're looking to do to further your career. The law non-law split is around 50-50. Those that aren't currently studying law, we would support through the GDL with our preferred supplier, the University of Law, and then going on with support through the LPC.
So our applications are open at the moment, but we do recruit on a first come, first served basis. So what that means is that we'd really encourage you to get your application in nice and early to avoid disappointment. And assessment days will be taking place a little later on. So we're really excited to see that you are interested in CMS and we hope to see you at the law fair. If you are interested in applying to us as well, do remember that applications are on a first come, first served basis, and we would really like to see you on one of our programmes, because that is the best way to get to know CMS, is to actually spend some time with us on one of our programmes. So that's either the First Step scheme or the CMS Academy.
The CMS team look forward to welcoming you to the law fair on the 30th of October.